and when you come downstairs in the morning, it wouldn't spark the joy. It basically, to start the day off with sort of a dull looking kitchen, and the wood was sort of, the cabinetry was puffed up in some spaces, so obviously the moisture's gone out and things, so all those things sort of that needed to be changed. I love everything about my new kitchen. I love the drawers, the cupboards, the spaciousness it's given me, the colour scheme that goes with it, the black and white, the bench top, it's nice and smooth surface, the splashback, everything basically, yeah. And the user friendliness of it. So my cutlery drawers are separate, my dish drawers are separate, and all those things, and that makes it so much easier to work around the kitchen on a day-to-day basis. It just makes the life wonderful. So I landed on Kitchen Studio's website. I phoned them, and they were upfront saying they are slightly expensive than other people in the market, so I'll have to think about it whether I do want to proceed or not. But after meeting with Delvin, having the first meeting discussions, I actually felt really good about my decision that I wanted to go with Kitchen Studio, because they know what they're doing, they're going to manage it as a project, and I don't have to worry about a single thing basically, and it's from start to finish that I'll just have a working kitchen at the end of the day. So that's what made me go through Kitchen Studio. I've never done renovations before, so I was a bit anxious, but it was the smoothness of the process, how everything ran, nothing was delayed, nothing was sort of like, oh, we'll come to tomorrow or not today or this and that. So all that hassle-free stuff, that was impressive, yeah. So that was Delvin and I relationship that built over the last few months. And yeah, and then we sort of decided, okay, we like this or we don't like this. So it was like a team working together. Definitely Kitchen Studio. Definitely go to Kitchen Studio, or Delvin, definitely. I would definitely recommend, yeah.
Why?
Because of the experience I had. I mean, they're really good at what they deliver. They say what they deliver, so they make it happen, and they take your views into consideration, and then trying to work along those things, what would work and what wouldn't work. So she took all my thoughts, ideas into consideration, and made a design that would be best for me in that small space, and that's why I would recommend, definitely.